Hi everyone, this is Adam from buildaprinter.com. I'm starting this website to share with other people who want to build 3D printers some of the tips that I've learned over the year plus that I built and have been using this printer, as well as another type of printer that I built before this. This is just a classic FDM printer, Prusa style, and yeah, it's working really well. And I've kind of gone through a lot of different struggles with this printer and made a lot of upgrades and choices. And there's a lot of information out there online, but it's kind of all scattered, and depending on the printer you have, some information can be really detrimental, to what you are actually trying to do. So I wanted to make this website to make it a little bit easier for people to understand some of the great, things you probably want for your printer, and also just things like temperature, just a lot of different, information. So just to give you an idea, this 3D printer, it starts with a frame, which you start with to begin with, obviously, and then it also has a lot of other things, like there's the heated bed, there's the hot end, there's the extruder. I have a differential IR sensor. You have all the motors. I actually have a lead screw upgrade. You can also just do it with a regular threaded rod, for example. I have a Duet Wi-Fi. In the past, I actually used the ramps board with these drivers and the Arduino Mega, which worked great for a while, but the only thing that I really hated about it was just how unreliable these driver boards could be, and sometimes you need to swap them out, or you need to adjust the current, and it's really hard to do that with just a screw. So that's just one of the things I learned. For a long time I did print just directly on painter's tape, but I found installing this heated bed made things so much better. And a lot of times people's mistakes ultimately come down to the bed not being level, and that's just the truth. So I kind of wanted to just consolidate all that information into one website and share it with you guys. So if you have any comments, please leave them below, or shoot me an email. You can visit me at buildaprinter.com. Thanks. Bye.